Hello everyone and welcome to Fix Connection YouTube channel. So if you have got a new device, Samsung device, and you got your old device and you're trying to transfer all your data, contacts, apps, videos from one Samsung to another one, so all you have to find settings icon or settings in your both devices. For example, we have here settings here. You can click on this, or as well you can swipe from top to bottom and here find the setting icon, click on that. The same with this phone. On your new device, you can either click on the settings or you can swipe and you find here settings in the app section. So now the second thing, go down and find here accounts in backup. The same thing with your new device also, accounts in backup. So now you will see on your old device smart switch, click on that. If it asks you for the download, so try to download. So if you have data or internet, good. If not, you have to connect it with Wi-Fi and download the app, and after that turn off your Wi-Fi back. So let's see, we are sending from this device wirelessly. Press wireless, so it's telling you turn off or to reconnect in Wi-Fi settings. So let's turn off the Wi-Fi and let's go back, and now sending this one, receive. So click on smart switch, and okay, it's telling us update. If you update it, good. If not, it's okay, so it will be connected automatically. So now allow in this device, and it's telling us allow the connection on your old device. Your new phone is Galaxy, and it's going to scan the QR code with your new phone to update smart switch. Okay, so you have to update the smart switch. So you have to update the smart switch. So let's update the smart switch. Just wait for it, let it update. If you have service here, good. If not, you have to connect it to Wi-Fi. So this message, if you have received it, so that means your new device smart switch is not updated. So just update it. If you don't have data, you can connect it with Wi-Fi. Let's connect it with Wi-Fi. So once you have connected, go back to the smart switch, and now you can update it. Let's cancel this, go back again, click on smart switch, update. So now it should be faster because we have connected with Wi-Fi. So now it's installing. So make sure the same thing you have to update with this device also, the old one. So now again click on smart switch, come to the new device, agree and allow. So we are receiving in the new device, it's from Galaxy wirelessly. So it's telling us turn off. So let's turn off this Wi-Fi and click on send here, wireless on your old device. So now they are communicating. So now you should receive all your data from your old device to the new device. So connecting to old device to bring your data. So still scanning, allow. So now we have give permission that yes, we want to connect the old to the new device. For some reason, if it doesn't work, or if it asks you to update the software or the device, or if you see the QR code, so follow up the instruction on the QR code. Alright, so transfer your accounts. So press on transfer. Now it's telling us copying your accounts. So we are copying these accounts to this new device. Just be patient and it will be complete soon. If you have more data, so it will take longer, and if you have less data, so it will be faster. And that's how you copy or transfer data easily and faster way, is to use a smart switch on both devices, and they will start communicating, and you should be good to transfer all your data to your new device. So I hope this video will help you how to copy your data from your old Samsung to the new Samsung. If it really helped you, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. We really appreciate your support. So just be patient. So it's telling us to transfer your Samsung account or Google accounts to your new phone, unlock your old phone and tap copy. So we already did that, so it's now copying, so it will take time. So you can either skip this, but it's better to wait, and as soon as it completes, then all your accounts will be transferred to this new device. Let's check here what's going on here. Okay, so it's updating, completing setup. That's for the Google Play Store. Okay, couldn't bring your Google account, try again later. So for some reason it doesn't bring the Google accounts, but it will bring all other data. And you can manually type your Google accounts, so maybe there was a password issue or anything like that. So right now we don't know, but other data will be transferred, like your pictures, your photos, your contacts, your system settings like operating system or the Android settings. So all those stuff will be copied. So it's telling us 2 minutes left, 23% completed. And for screen time, it will tell you keep screen on, so you can check mark this keep screen on, so the screen will not turn off. Alright guys, so all data is done. So now close this. So now you can go to the home screen. So everything that you had on that device, so now it's here. So I hope this method will help you out how to transfer your data from your old Samsung device to the new device. And if it really helped you, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.